Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy M22 and let me share with you how to reset settings on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings simply, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on General Management. Now let's enter the reset option, and as you can see on the very first position we've got reset all settings. So let's tap on it, and here your device is informing you that it will reset all the settings except security settings, language settings, accounts, personal data and settings for downloaded apps. So let me tap on reset settings. And here we've got also the information that you cannot undo this action, and that the device will be restarted. So simply tap on reset, and as you can see right now we have to wait, and after restarting the device, the settings will be reset. Okay, and as you can see, the phone is turned on, so it means that we just successfully reset the settings here. So actually this is it. This is how to reset settings in your Samsung Galaxy M22. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.